What will you do if I told you you can make an extra 6 million naira gain in less than 1 month this 2024? Hear me out, okay? Now, if you're a first-time buyer or you are an experienced investor looking for the best investments here in Enugu State that you can make maximum profit in less than a year or in a very short period of time, 4, 5 years, 3 years. Watch this video to the end because what I'm about to tell you and show you will help you. As you can see, they're already working on the perimeter fencing, and a plot of land here is measuring 500 square meters. It has a deed of assignment and a power of attorney. See, if you've missed owning a property in the main Centenary City Enugu, here is another opportunity for you to own as many plots as possible now. I have a limited offer for you, okay? Now, I am currently standing at Grand Omega City Estate, located behind Centenary City. It is 7 minutes drive from Centenary City Gate, okay? Now, the actual value and price of this land is 15 million naira, but our company is running a pre-launch sales of 9 million naira. Okay, so now is the best opportunity and best time for you to own a plot or two in this estate because you'll be making a 6 million naira gain, a whooping 6 million naira gain in less than 1 month. Okay, now this offer only lasts till the 31st of January. Okay, so from the 1st of February, this price will be going back to 15 million naira. Now imagine how massive this investment is, right? So call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let me help you secure this amazing plot because this investment will not wait for you. Now is the right time to take advantage of this opportunity that has come your way today. Now, there are a lot of good things about this Grand Omega City Estate, okay? Now, there is already perimeter fencing going on. There's going to be security, there's going to be light, there is water, everything you need. The road is accessible, and like I said, it's in a rapidly growing and rapidly developing estate and neighborhood, okay? The appreciation here is massive, okay? This estate and this neighborhood is one of the best and the fastest growing in Enugu State. So what are you waiting for? Queue into this opportunity. There is a lot of good things about this estate that I would love to talk about, but I'll be doing that in my next video. All right, so call me now on the number that is displayed on the screen. Let us secure this plot. Let both of us put hands together and make sure that your dream comes true. Your dream of investment comes true. This estate is one of the best estates you should look to invest in. It's very, very good for investment. Own some plots today in Grand Omega City Estate and you won't regret it at all. Okay, now imagine buying 2 plots of land in this estate for 18 million naira and you'll be making a profit of 12 million naira in less than 1 month. This is amazing. This is the best time for you to own as many plots as possible. So don't forget to call me on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let us make this happen. Let us make this investment work for you, okay? As always, I'll remain your favorite real estate consultant and agent here in Enugu State, Victoria Chinsroom. Always remember to invest with confidence. Bye.